Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Redmi 6 Pro. Now here's my setup. There are two big lights on either side, phone currently has 78% of battery left and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 30 degrees. I've just turned on the AC. Now coming to the phone's temperature, on the front it is 33 degrees, at the bottom it is 34. On the back it's about 33 and at the bottom once again it is about 33 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 8. By the way guys, I tried to install Asphalt 9 but for some reason it's not available for this phone. Game creators need to make a few changes for that game to be available on this phone. Anyway, let's see how it turns out. So guys, I played this game for about 8 to 9 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees, at the bottom it is 42. On the back I've seen maximum of 39 degrees and at the bottom it is 38. Now coming to the gaming experience, there wasn't much lag and the visuals were pretty good. Next I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. So guys, I played this game for about 8 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees, at the bottom it is 42, I've even seen 43. On the back I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees and at the bottom it's about 38. Now coming to the gaming experience, visuals were pretty good. There was occasionally some lag, but it doesn't ruin the entire gaming experience. On the whole, it's playable. Next I'll be playing Shadowgun Legends. So guys, I played this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees. At the bottom, it's about 44. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 40 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience. Visuals were really good, but there was noticeable lag. On the whole, it is kinda playable. Next, I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. By the way guys, it's been like 30 minutes since I've been playing games and now the phone feels hot. It's still manageable, but you can feel the heat. So guys, I've played this game for about 13 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees. At the bottom, it's fluctuating from 43 to 44. On the back, it is 41 degrees and at the bottom, it is 39. Now coming to the gaming experience, once again, it's the same thing. Visuals were good, but there was noticeable lag. We can tweak the graphics settings and improve the performance, but right out of the box on default settings, there was a noticeable lag. Now coming to the battery drain test, I've been playing games for about 40 minutes and the current battery percentage is 65. So that means phone used about 13% of battery for about 40 minutes of gameplay. Now this phone has a bigger 4000 mAh battery, so considering that, battery life on this phone is pretty good. Now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. Here's the setup once again. There is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and currently the room temperature is 29 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start taking the pictures. So guys, it's been 3 minutes since I've been taking pictures. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, maximum temperature is fluctuating from 41 to 43 degrees. At the bottom, it is 41 degrees. And on the back, it's once again fluctuating from 41 to 42. And at the bottom, it is 40 degrees. Phone definitely feels pretty hot right now, especially near the camera. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to see if there is any throttling because of heating issues. By the way guys, I took about 400 pictures in just 3 minutes. So that's a pretty big number, so capturing speeds are good and it's not affected by the heating issues. So guys, even the UI is pretty smooth after the heat test. There is very slight lag, but that's negligible, and when the phone cools down, it'll be much smoother. So guys, on the whole, there are no major heating issues with this phone, just the phone gets hot like all other phones, but the maximum temperature I've seen was 44 degrees, which is definitely better than phones like Honor 9N, which were as hot as 50 degrees. So considering that phone, this phone is definitely doing a pretty good job. Now coming to the gaming experience, with latest titles, there is definitely some lag, but by tweaking the graphic settings, you can have a smoother experience. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.